the result you want here today regarding against this tough Dunbeholden team? They get the better, assess the performance of your team over the tour.
Well, my team performed well. Our performance has to be put in a context, where we have been depleted, tired, injured, and all of that. So we are happy with the performance. We really don't have the quality like Mount Pleasant. Right? That's a given. We are able to do other things into the game, but in the end, the mistakes, caught up with us.
You think that, based off how the game panned out, you think that the slightest error you guys made, you paid maximum price for?
Well, that's exactly what happened. A ball kicked to goal in the crowd, deflected into the goal, and that was the beginning, But we have no excuses, We give as good as we got, and it just wasn't to be this year. We are depleted, tired, and all of that, So it's for us to go and look at the season and plan and come again.
Coach, if you would assess the season as a whole, what do you think, were critical points that you probably could have done better? You still made the playoffs again, but what do you think in terms of?
I think if we look at our season in the context of this annual football calendar, our pre-season was poor. We never got the level of condition that we would have needed, and as the season progressed, it became difficult to catch up because the games kept coming fast and furious, So it was difficult to catch up. We tried what we could with limited resources, but no excuses.
Would you say, in the grand scheme of things, that maybe qualifying for the playoffs is an accomplishment in this?
It is an accomplishment in itself. Just in the final week of the playoff, we were in 8th position. Thanks to some miraculous situation in Waterhouse, but we dropped to 6th, and we maintained that. So for us, it is a good season. It is an acceptable season. It's not the season we wanted, but we have to be satisfied with it.
I know that obviously the off season begins now. I know he's determined. Obviously you're going to need a long break, but immediately, what are the things that they're going to need in terms of
immediately we have to prepare for the CONCACAF Club Championships. I do believe the transfer window opens, I believe, on July 1. So we are thinking of regrouping for the month of July. Well, we've started to look at that already and have identified some talent. So we will try and push through those transfers and start the periodization for the next cycle. All right. Thanks a lot.
Appreciate it.